In this video, let's talk about SEO in 2026. So we have got, many different terms right here, which is one is a traditional SEO, second one is a AIO, which is AI optimization, GEO, Generative Engine Optimization for AI, and then answer engine optimization and search experience optimization. Now, you might not be aware of all this as a beginner blogger. So let's just go ahead and look at one by one. Now, what the SEO term is, as you know, traditional search engine optimization, how it works is we simply take keywords, target keywords, build backlinks, improve page content on page, and then fix technical SEO after on page results. And then you ask yourself, will this help me rank higher on Google? Example, you can see SaaS company ranks #1 for this certain keywords by optimizing its landing page and building backlinks from niche blogs. So this is the traditional SEO. You focus on a one keyword and then you get a backlinks and then you create a topical authority. That's it, done. Now things change. Later AI came and then AIO, which is a AI optimization, which is AI training inclusion. It is very structured, readable formats for AI. Presence in sources, consistent factual references, because AI relies on how updated your content is and how relevant your content is. So, will this help the model learn about me? The thing is, a software library becomes a part of AI knowledge base via GitHub docs or developer forums or structured Wikipedia or Wikidata entries, okay? So it relies on how much resources and how much trustworthy your content is. Then the next is generative engine optimization, which focus on AI answers, use clear factual writing, format for summarization to the AIs, and add schema so that it can fetch very fastly. Now, example, I can say a travel blog which pulled into ChatGPT answer for best things in Europe for certain people. Then came the AEO, answer engine optimization. Nowadays people don't have much time to read every single blog, so they just want it direct. So which is cons is direct answers using FAQ and how to schema, targeting zero click and AI overview search. If you want to know how to do this, I made a complete video on this. You can check that. I'll leave the link in the description. Example, a finance blog appears in a Google AI overviews for what is capital gain tax by answering certain questions, clearly opening the paragraph. And then next we have SXO, which is a search experience optimization, which is completely new, which is to build fast and clean pages with a fast theme, loading speed, applying CROs and CTAs, clear CTAs, and match consistently for the search intent and scannable content. Example, e-commerce page that loads instantly and satisfies the query and converts 3x more than a slower competitor. So you need to be everything good in this, and this is the difference between all these things, and this is the SEO in 2026. By the way, if you want to rank, there will be a link in the description. You can book a call with me. I will help you personally guide you how to improve your rankings on Google through AI SEO. With that said, catch you on the next one.